Hi, hello, welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. Today we are starting one of the most important topic in calculus, optimization problems. We will solve example 1, the famous gutter problem. Let me explain what is gutter problem, right? Where we maximize the capacity of a gutter. Let's work through it step by step, easily and clearly, right? Let's begin. So let's read the question. A long rectangular sheet of metal 12 inches wide, right? So what is given? A long rectangular sheet. So this is a long rectangular sheet, okay? So this is a long rectangular sheet is given, right? A long rectangular sheet of metal 12 inches wide is given. How much inches is given? 12 inches is given, right? And is to made into a rain gutter by turning up two sides so that they are perpendicular to the sheet. How many inches should be turned up to give the gutter its greater capacity, right? Okay. So long metal sheet, now it is little folded. So what I'm going to do, so there is a little fold in 12 inches, they are going to fold here and I'm going to fold it here, right? So this side you folding X and this side you are folding X. So what will be the remaining side here? So it will be what? 12 minus 2 inches. This area will be like this. This side will be 12 minus 2x will be there, right? Yes. So what is given? So it means first thing what is given? A rectangular sheet is given. A rectangular metal sheet is given, which is 12 inches wide is given, right? Then after that what is given? The sheet is folded up along two sides. Can you see that? The sheet is folded, right? Just folded on two sides by x inches to form an open gutter. There is no top here, okay? After folding, the width will become, this is the width of the gutter. So it will become what? 12 minus 2x, because here x. So x plus x is equal to what? 2x. So total is 12. So how many cut? 12 minus 2x. And the height of the gutter box is what? X inches. Now what we are going to do in this? We are going to do what? Find the value of x. What we are going to find? Find the value of x. You are going to find the value of x. We are going to find that maximizes okay, the area, or you can say the cross-sectional area. The cross-sectional area of the gutter, okay? So this is what we are going to find out. In other words, we can say find the dimension that gives the gutter the largest possible area for water flow. You can say like that, okay? So the cross-sectional area is what? Base into height. So the base width is what? 12 minus 2x and the height is what? X. So let us create the function a of x, right? So let's create a of x. The function we are going to create is a of x is equal to, right? So, or I'll tell you the steps first. What are the things I'm going to find out? So always we used to tell the steps, right? Step number 1. So write the function first. Write the function a of x. Step number 2. Find a dash of x. Step number 3. A dash of x is equal to 0. Find x is equal to critical points. Step number 4. Use second derivative test. Which derivative? Second derivative test. Okay, right. Yes, this is what we are going to do it. So let's calculate the function, okay, a of x. So what is a of x? A of x is nothing but cross-section area, right? Cross-section area, which is equal to, first the formula is width multiplied by height. Okay. So what is your width? Width is 12 minus 2x. How? This is your width. Can you see that? This is your width. And the height is going to become what? X. So, and multiply by the height is x. So it is 12 minus 2x multiplied by x. Right? So let me take this x to the front. So it is x times 12 minus 2x. So this is 12x minus 2x square. So this is your a of x, right? So this is step number 1. Okay, right. Now let's go to step number 2. Very easy. A dash of x. 12x derivative is what? 12. Okay. Minus 2x square derivative is what? Minus 4x. Step number 3. A dash of x is equal to 0 implies 12 minus 4x is equal to 0. So minus 4x is equal to minus 12. Divide by minus 4, divide by minus 4. X is equal to what? 3. So this is the maximum. You're going to say that. Okay. Right. So it means what? X is equal to 3 inches should be turned up. So what is from this? So x is equal to 3 inches should be turned up. Should be turned up. Which portion? The sheet. You remember? The sheet. So we are turning up this one. So this is x equal to 3. Okay. Should be turned up. Let's go for second derivative test. What is second derivative test? A double dash of x. What is a double dash of x? This is your a dash. 12 minus 4x. It gives what? Minus 4. Minus 4 is what? Less than 0, or you can say negative. So when it is negative, automatically it says what? Maximum. Automatically it says what? Maximum, right? Because we already studied second derivative test. If you did not study, just go back to the previous video and come back to this one. Okay, right. So we are going to get what? A double dash of x is equal to what? Negative, right? Yes. It means what? A double dash of x is less than 0. So from this, what we are going to do? So we are going to say it's turn up 3 inches on each side for greater capacity, right? So we can say finally it's turn up 3 inches. Finally we say what? Turn up 3 inches, right, on each side for greater capacity or greatest capacity. For greatest capacity. So that's all this question. It's very easy question, right? So let me go back again and I will explain it very clearly. So once again I'll tell you. So first you need to find what the step number 1 is a of x. Then find a dash of x. Then a of x is a dash of x equal to 0. You're going to get critical points. Then use second derivative test. So a of x, the formula is width multiplied by height. Width is 12 minus 2x multiplied by x. So I get the function a of x. Then a dash of x I get a dash of x is equal to 0. I'm getting x equal to 3. So it means what? X equal to 3 inches should be turned up. Now I'm calculating whether it is maximum or minimum. I want to make sure, because the question is what? It says that it should be greater capacity. You can see that also the question. The question says that how many inches should be turned up to get the greatest capacity. So this is what you're going to find out. So it means you're going to find x equals question mark. Okay, right. So it means we are going to see it's maximum or not. For that I'm using second derivative. I just calculated a double dash of x. Once I calculated a double dash of x, I'm getting negative. Once I get negative, automatically it's going to become what? Maximum. So finally you're going to write the answer what? Turn up 3 inches on each side for greatest capacity, right? So that's what we are going to do it. So from this, we are going to finish this question, right? So we have completed the gutter problem and learned how to set up and solve optimization problems step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Stay tuned for the next examples, which is the next module coming soon. Solve, learn and grow with Dr. Zahir Math. See you in the next video, inshallah. Take care. Bye-bye.